these are the objects that I want to delete, so you have to go to the view and then click on trim view. It will hide everything outside of the artboard, but there are still objects visible. That here is the shape. You can go back to view and switch off trim view and the objects are back. The other option is you can create a rectangle on your artboard. You can color it with any swatch you want, or you can simply keep it without any color. So you have to use the selection tool and select everything on the artboard. You can also use Ctrl+A to select everything. Now go to object and then clipping mask and then click make. It will hide everything outside of the artboard. You can also simply right click and make clipping mask. If you export the image and it also contains the objects outside of the artboard, then I will show you the right step to hide or delete the unwanted objects. Here, as you can see, that there are objects that you don't want in the image. You have to use artboard and then export the image. Select any option that you want. And here your image is ready. I hope you have liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.